day traders, Raghee here, and in this video we're going to do a deep dive into this post-Powell environment and how that affected this morning's day trade. So a couple things to kind of cover. Number one, this was the live shot of Jerome Powell yesterday as he basically communicated to the market they're not even close to talking about tapering. They're not going to ease the bond purchases. And that really just does usher in very likely the next leg higher in the equity markets. Right away, the markets might have got a little bit ahead of themselves. We saw that this morning with the weakness. Now, the other part of this is when I'm doing my day trading, please keep this in mind. When are you day trading? I'm going to focus my day trades from 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. Eastern. And then I look at the next day. I'm not going to day trade throughout the day. I'm not going to enter new day trades after 11:30. I seldom do after 11. All right, so keeping that in mind, let's talk about what we had here on the Dow, which is something we live traded in the chat room this morning. So if you've been following these videos for any length of time, you know that this is a breach. This is the market basically tipping its hand as it breaks through resistance, showing us that the path of least resistance is very likely to, of course, the upside. Okay, terrific. That means that we're looking for a specific number of setups after the breach. We might get down into this FIBO level here for a buy. We might see the opportunity to even get another deeper pullback. Maybe that's a V-score, very unlikely at that point. But the other option that we have, once the breach happens, is to buy pullbacks to the wave, pullbacks to the 34 EMA on the high, close, low zone. And what I like to see is the breach happen first and then pullbacks into the wave. And that's pretty much the way in which the Dow unfolded for us today. Now, there are some criteria that I like to see which would increase the probability of this following through better. Double green, for sure. You know, if you join me in Charts and Coffee, our morning show, you'll know I talk about this double green concept all the time. Why? Because double green increases the probability of the market moving in an uptrending manner. And that's exactly what we were looking to surf the wave today. And that's really what this is, gang. Intraday trading in the direction of the path of least resistance with a confirmation of the trend. Surfing the wave. I'll see you in the next update.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency. It's one of the things that won me